Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make line in Photoshop. So what you need to do is just go to your left side and then you will see your tools in here. Just click on the rectangle tool and then right click and then choose the line tool. So in here you can basically just hold and then click left on your mouse and then you can create a line like this. And then if you want to like increase the size of the line, you can just go to the stroke and then you can just add some stroke. And then here we go. And then if you want to create a straight line, you can just hold shift and then just left click and then drag it to the left. So as you guys can see, it's just a straight line. And then if you add more stroke, so here we go. So this is how to make line in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.